Hey everyone, in today's quick tips, I'm going to show you how to use the option called field map in Excel. So a field map shows how a value varies in proportion throughout geography by using shading, coloring, or patterns. To add a field map into your spreadsheet, you have to select the data you want to use within your spreadsheet and then go to the Insert tab and select Map and then Field Map, as it shows here this example. I've also created an example in my Excel. So as you see, we have here different countries with different data and the map that shows the data that we have created. You can personalize the map with this option right here with this plus icon. You can select the chart title, data labels, some legend if you want. And also by clicking on this arrow, you can also customize other options as well. As I've shown you before in another quick tip, I've also added some values into the data by selecting the quick analysis tool. I've selected the one that says data bars, but you can also choose another one. All these elements like the field map and the quick analysis tool can help you visualize the data you have in your worksheet. Alright, so the second tip I'm going to show you is the people graph. So using a people graph is a quick way to obtain data from a simple two-column table with values in the second column. So first we have to go to the Insert tab in our ribbon and select People Graph, and then select the data we want to work with and customize our graph. To achieve your intended result, modify the title, theme, and form. Okay, so in Excel I'm going to create some values. To insert a people graph, we are going to go to Insert and then select People Graph. We have to trust this add in, wait a few seconds, and then customize this graph. So we have to click here on this icon that says data. Let's change the title, and now we have to click on select your data and click on create. And here we have our graph. We have 50 million people in Argentina and 80 million people in Germany. We can also customize the graph by clicking on settings. We can change the theme. We can also change the shapes. And that's how you add a people graph into your spreadsheet. Alright, so that was all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.